For more than 2 decades, the gIDE Institute in Los Angeles has set the global standard in advanced dental education. Led by world-renowned implant surgeon Dr. Sascha Jovanovic, gIDE brings evidence-based learning to the forefront of modern implant dentistry. Through its state-of-the-art programs, clinicians gain hands-on mastery and the confidence to deliver life-changing results for their patients. Every lecture, every clinical demonstration, and every mentorship moment is built on real science, real cases, and real outcomes. From implant diagnosis and bone regeneration to aesthetic restoration and surgical excellence, gIDE's comprehensive curriculum equips dentists to perform at their highest level, whether they're just beginning their implant journey or refining advanced surgical skills. Students from over 100 countries have chosen gIDE to elevate their clinical expertise, experience Los Angeles's premier training environment, and learn directly from Dr. Jovanovic and a world-class faculty. If you're ready to deepen your implant knowledge, expand your capabilities, and join a community of passionate dental professionals shaping the future of oral health, this is your time. Enroll today and take your next step toward clinical mastery with Dr. Sascha Jovanovic and the gIDE Institute.